Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. So this is the daily vocabulary booster by Oliveboard for today, which is 22nd of April 2019, in which we learned 5 new words of the day. Now these words are picked up from the Hindu editorial. Before we start with learning 5 new words of the day, don't forget to take up a free mock test for any bank or government exam that you are preparing for by clicking on the link given to you in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. So we start with the first term for today, which is acquiescent. Now it is ACQUIESCENT, which is acquiescent, which means ready to accept something without protest or to do what someone else wants. So in this case, we agree to do something that someone else wants us to do without any protest. Now the synonyms are compliant, consenting, cooperative, willing, obliging, agreeable, and amenable. Okay, so these are all the synonyms. The usages: the peasants proved more acquiescent than had been expected. That means that the peasants agreed to do what the other people, say the landlords or the money lenders, asked them to do without any protest. The next term is credibility. Now credibility is the quality of being trusted and believed in. That means if someone can trust you or believe in you, you are credible enough. So few of the synonyms are trustworthiness, reliability, dependability, integrity, and character. The usage: the present government's loss of credibility cannot be compensated with these populist measures. That means that the credibility of the government cannot be compensated with any populist measure that they are undertaking. The next term is deplorable. Now deplorable is deserving strong condemnation or completely unacceptable. So something which is not acceptable at all. So the synonyms are disgraceful, shameful, dishonorable, disreputable. Disreputable. So these are all the synonyms of deplorable, and the usage is children living in deplorable conditions in the slums. That means we know that there are a lot of slums and a lot of children survive there or live there. So all of those children who live under these unhygienic conditions deserve strong condemnation. The next term is exonerate. Now exonerate is from blame for a fault or wrongdoing. That means that you were initially charged upon something which was wrong, but now you've been acquitted out of it, or you're no more involved in this. So the synonyms are absolve, clear, or acquit. The usages: an inquiry exonerated those involved in the case of bribery. So a group of people who were initially charged upon bribery have now been absolved or exonerated. The last term for the day is impeachment. Now impeachment is the action of calling into question the integrity or validity of something. That means we check the integrity of a person. This is specific with respect to public offices. So a charge of misconduct made against the holder of a public office. So few of the synonyms are challenge or question. So when we challenge or question the authority of someone who is holding a public office. The usage is: the president is facing impeachment over the scandal. So a scandal that was made, and if the president is held charge of that particular scandal, we go into inquiry, and this is known as the impeachment process. So those were the 5 words that we've learned for today. You can learn more new words by clicking on the link which is given to you in the description box. I hope you liked the video. Share it with your friends and help them improve their vocabulary. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.